Good afternoon, student. Now we will start the topic diagnosis of pregnancy in last trimester. Okay. So last trimester it start from 29 weeks to 40 weeks. Okay. So last trimester is the last 3 months of the pregnancy is known as last trimester. Okay. So it start from 29 week and ends till 40 week, means till delivery of the fetus. Okay. So what signs and symptoms will be seen here? So first we will see the symptom. In first, second trimester we saw amenorrhea is there. So amenorrhea will be still here in last trimester. Then enlargement of the abdomen is more prominent now in last trimester. The height of the abdomen is more enlarged and it is more prominent. Then in last trimester you can see the lightening. Okay, this is a new symptom which is included in the last trimester. What is lightening? At about 38 week, especially in primigravida, a sense of relief of the pressure symptom is obtained due to the enlargement of the presenting part. Okay, what is lightening? As in 38 week, the other part of fetus is is properly enlarged. The abdomen get down. Okay, as the position of abdomen is still till the xiphoid process. Okay, so in lightening, what happened? The relaxed feeling is there, means abdomen will get relaxed little bit in a downward motion. Okay, so why? Because fetal parts are more seen, more prominent, more palpable, and they are easy to move. Okay, so it is relaxed. Okay, so that is lightening. After that, frequency of micturition will be again appearing in the last trimester. We saw frequency of micturition in the first trimester. Then in second trimester it is there but reduced. But in last trimester, frequency of micturations will be again. Now, why frequency of micturation will be seen again in last trimester? In last trimester, all the parts of the fetus is grown up. Now, the lightening take place, means the feeling of relaxation is there. That causes more pressure on the bladder again. Okay. So, as the weight of the fetus grow, plus there is a lightening, this causes pressure on the bladder and there is a frequent micturation. Okay. So, again and again she will feel like going for the urination. So, this symptom is also seen in last trimester. Then in last trimester we can see the fetal movement are more pronounced. Okay. So what are the symptoms in last trimester? First, amenorrhea will be like that, which was there from last 2 trimester. Then frequency of micturation, which was present in first trimester, will reappear again. New symptom is lightening sensation. Okay, that is a relaxed sensation, that is called as lightening. Then fetal movement is more prominent and enlargement of abdomen will be seen. Okay, so these are the more prominent 5 symptoms which is seen in the last trimester. Now we will see the signs. Now what signs are seen? Cutaneous changes. First we have to see the cutaneous changes are more prominent with increased pigmentation and stria. In second trimester we saw that there is a linea nigra and stria are there. In last trimester, these linea nigra and stria will be more prominent. Their color will be more dark. Okay. So in cutaneous changes you have to write down that. Then uterine shape in first trimester. So in uterine shape, we saw in first trimester it was oval and quite ovoid shape. Okay, but in last trimester the uterine shape is changed from cylindrical to spherical beyond the 36th week. Okay, now it will from cylindrical it will be spherical. Okay, spherical because baby will be moving round and round. Okay, so first was cylindrical, second trimester now it is a spherical. Fundal height, the distance between the umbilicus and the episiopharm cartilages is divided into three equal parts. The fundal height corresponds to the junction of the upper and middle third at 32 week up to the level of episiopharm cartilages, that is 36 weeks and complete down to the 32 week. So in fundal height you just have to remember that if the head is floating it is 32 week pregnancy. Okay, if the head of the baby is floating, that the baby is or the fetus is 32 week pregnancy is there. And if the head is engaged, means if the engagement of head occurs, then that is 40 week of pregnancy, means the term is completed. Okay, so if the head is floating you have to note down it is 32 week of pregnancy, and if it is engaged it is 40 week of pregnancy. Okay, so I told you in second trimester only fundal height will tell you how much week pregnancy is there. Okay, 16 week, 32 week, according to that you have to see that. So in fundal height, if it is floating it is 32 week, and if it is the head is fixed it is 40 week of pregnancy. In symphysis fundal height, the upper border of the fundus is located by the ulnar border of the left hand, and this point is marked. Okay, in symphysis fundal height. Symphysis fundal height means from symphysis you have to calculate the height of the fundus. Okay, so till the zipisternum we said, right? So from the symphysis pubis you have to put your ulnar border on the sternum. Okay, so on sternum when you put your ulnar border of the hand and you measure it with the tape till episiotomy, you can tell the symphysis fundal height. Okay, so like that you have to measure and say. After 24 weeks, the symphysis fundal height measured in centimeter correspond to the number of week up to 36 weeks. A variation of plus or minus 2 centimeter is accepted as a normal. Okay, so like that you have to measure the symphysis fundal height and you have to say how weak pregnancy is there. Okay, then Braxton Hicks contractions are more evident in first trimester. We have seen this Braxton Hicks contraction, that is penniless contraction of the uterus. Okay, uterus ka contraction and relaxation ka, that is known as Braxton Hicks contraction. So in last trimester it will appear again. Okay, movement of the uterus is seen. Then fetal movement are usually felt. Palpitation of the fetal part. Now if fetal heart was ausculted in the second trimester. So in third trimester more important is fetal parts. Okay, because fetus is grown up properly, so fetal parts will be more palpitate in the last trimester. Fetal heart sound is heard directly in area correspond to the presentation and position of the fetus. Fetus heart sound may not be audible in cases of maternal obesity, polyhydramnios, osteoposterior positions, and certain in intrauterine death. Okay, now fetal heart sound will be heard in last trimester according to the position. Okay, if the position is normal, anteverted, anteflexed, you will study that position. Okay, so if the head is upward, like if the presentation is vertex, so fetal heart sound is seen in lower abdomen. Okay, if it is a bridge presentation, fetal heart sound is more prominently seen in the upper abdomen. Okay, so that is a variation. In last trimester you have to see the fetal heart sound prominently, but in cases like if female are obese, if there is a hydroamniosis, that is more liquid in the amniotic fluid is more, or if any other conditions like if intrauterine death is there, that time you don't hear the fetal heart sound. Okay, so you have to hear this fetal heart sound very properly. Then sonography, gestation age estimated by bipolar diameter is less accurate, variation plus or minus 3 weeks. Fetal growth assessment can be made provide accurate dating scan as done in the first or second trimester. Okay, in sonography now fetal parts are more prominent, so you will have the proper idea of which part is growing or if any abnormalities is there. Okay, so this can also diagnose the last trimester. And fetal AC at the level of the umbilical vein is used to assess gestation age and fetal growth. Okay, fine. Amniotic fluid volume is also seen in sonography. Then placental anatomy, location, thickness or other abnormalities is also seen, and other information like fetal life, number, presentation, organ, anatomy and other things are diagnosis in the last trimester of pregnancy. So basically you have to keep in mind what symptom happens. Lightening is the main symptom which happen, and enlargement of abdomen plus urination, frequent urination is also there, and amenorrhea persists. Okay, these are the symptoms. In signs, cutaneous changes will be seen, plasma will be more prominent, all those things are there. The stria and linea nigra are more prominent, and most important part is fetal parts are palpated, fetal heart sound is more prominent, and in sonography it is very much clear. Okay, so in last trimester only little things you have to keep in mind, and it is very easy to diagnose pregnancy in the last trimester. Okay, now we will see the summary. Positive or absolute sign of pregnancy. First is palpitation of fetal part and perception of active movement of the knees. Confirmed sign of pregnancy are we can see we can palpate the fetal parts, right? Then auscultation of fetal heart, we can palpate the part, we can hear the sound of the fetal heart. After that, radiological demonstration. If we do the X-ray, we can see the radiological evidence of fetal present over there, and ultrasound evidence of embryo as early 6 weeks. Okay, so these are the confirmed sign of pregnancy, that part is present, heart sound is present, and sonography and X-ray both confirm that fetus is there. Okay, presumptive symptoms and signs, it include the feature mainly appreciated by women, that is amenorrhea. Now these are like presumptive, we can presume this sign. Okay, so frequent micturition is there, morning sickness, fatigue, breast changes, skin changes, quickening. These signs are also seen in premenstrual symptom. These signs are like more prominent like premenstrual symptom. So these are presumptive signs, means we can by these signs we cannot confirmly say that female is pregnant, but there are chances if these signs are present then woman can be pregnant. And probable sign, that is abdominal enlargement, Braxton Hicks contraction is there, external internal ballotment is there, then changing the size and shape of the consistency of the uterus, Jacquemer sign, softening of the cervix, Osiander sign. These all signs are probable sign. Okay, so this was how to diagnose the pregnancies last trimester, that is from 29 to 40 weeks.